Hello and welcome to SMS Marketing and Business Text Messaging Tutorials. In this video, we're going to see how to filter landline numbers from the list of contacts you may have gathered through offline efforts. Remember, before you can send anyone a text message, you must have prior consent. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Subscribers. Next, click on the Contacts button and select Filter Landline Numbers from the drop-down. Click on New Filter Request. Browse for Excel or CSV files with your number list. Please note that the sample file format for the Excel and CSV files to be uploaded must be according to our format. You can see the formats using the links provided. Now, let's upload the CSV file with the contacts. Once you've selected the file, click on Next. The data in the file has been imported. Click on Next. Then, click on Save to submit the filter request. To check the status of your request, click on Back to Landline Filter. Now you can export the filtered mobile numbers to a CSV file by clicking the Export button. You can also add these contacts directly to any subscription list. Click on the Add to Subscription List button. Select the list you want to add it to from the drop-down. Click the Save button. Now your contacts have been added successfully for the campaign you selected. You can see the newly added users for the campaign or list. To do so, click on Subscribers. Select the particular list for which the contacts were added. The new contacts are reflected here. Thanks for watching.